everyone there started moving too fast. I had a dream when I was only 5, to work at a bar